If I wanted to jump in and start working on something with students, I need to create a quick resource. I'm going to go to Reina, our chatbot. And here, I'm going to show you how I can quickly create an activity that we could do right here on the BenQ. So I'm going to actually use the voice to text. So I'm going to use the microphone that was built in right down here conveniently, which is fantastic. And I'm going to ask Reina to create a resource for us to use in a math class. Okay, Reina, will you please create 5 example blank coordinate grids for my students to mark specific points on? And will you also give the specific points you want students to mark? All right, so Reina is going to create those coordinate grids. So on the fly, a teacher could quickly create this whole group activity, or this could become a station activity.
You were spot on. This is excellent, being able to quickly talk to the board to grab that content. And our microphones are down here on the front of the panel. They are voice enhancing microphones as well. So whether it's teachers or students coming up to the board when this might be a station activity, being able to quickly access those microphones, but also the fact that this created content so quickly and easily, it makes it so that teachers can pair this really easily with a resource that's already on the board.